Hi, my name is G, founder of TESBROS. We're so excited to have you and teach you the ropes so you can successfully protect your Tesla. The core structure is split into 3 sections: foundations, installation, and maintenance. In foundations, we cover everything you need to set yourself up for success, like learning how to mix solutions, different squeegee techniques, and how to prep your Tesla before you get started. The installation portion is a step-by-step guide on how to tackle each panel in the order we recommend. Finally, in maintenance, we cover a few simple steps to make sure that the protection lasts for a long time. It's very important, and I can't stress this enough, not to skip any sections, as it will equip you with the right techniques and info you need to successfully install your kit. One thing before we get started, make sure you join our Facebook group to get help from TESBROS experts and other Tesla do-it-yourselfers that are installing this kit too. The link is below this video. Now, let's get it.